The world is turning to solar for sustainability and cost effectiveness. So let's talk about the two types of solar energy systems, on-grid and off-grid. The basic difference between the two is that on-grid works with the grid system, while off-grid works independently of it. In the on-grid system, the solar panels convert the solar energy into DC current, and the inverter converts the DC current into AC current to power your home or business. Any excess current that the solar panels create is fed back into the grid as credit, which can be later drawn back in based on the requirement. However, the on-grid system does not work during power outages, so while it is cost-effective, it is best used in places where the power cuts are minimal. So what about places where there is high power outages or there is no power supply at all? This is where the off-grid solar system is effective. This type of grid system works even when there is no supply from the mains or when the solar panels don't generate electricity. So how does it work? The solar panels generate DC power and the inverter converts it into AC power to run the electrical requirements. When the load of the house or business is lesser than the power generated, that power gets stored in the battery. This stored power can be later used during power outages or even when the panels are not able to generate power. So which grid system is best for me? Both systems have their own advantages. The on-grid system is easy to install and cost-effective. However, they are ideal in places where there is continuous power supply. Businesses can recoup the investment by saving on electricity bills in just 3 to 8 years. The off-grid systems are ideal in remote areas where there is infrequent or no power supply. They generate enough power that can be stored and used at night or when the power grid is down.